Alright everyone, today I'm gonna try to make flank steak pinwheels. This is my first time, I never did this before, so bear with me. I'll do my best. Alright. I never did this before, so let's see how this goes. Hopefully I won't cut it too thin from one side. Okay, that's not bad for my first try. That will work. With some parchment paper or butcher paper to cut it with the hammer and make it flat. You can use however you want. This is the only thing I could find. A pipe. That will work. Alright, that's okay. Provolone cheese. I don't know how much to put. I don't know if that's too much or too little, but I'll go with this much. There's some homemade chimi. Alright, I'm gonna roll it. Oh, I forgot to season it, so salt, pepper, and garlic. Guess that looks okay. Not bad. Looks alright. Let me trim from this side a little bit. I'm gonna do another one. Alright, I guess this one looks a little bit better. Yeah, not bad. I'm not gonna forget seasoning this time. Provolone cheese. Chimi. This is the excess meat I cut from the first one. I'm not wasting anything. And some salami, why not? Alright, some screws here. Looks good. Let's go to the grill. Well, I'm gonna cut the excess screws here from each side so they won't burn on me. The grill is nice and hot. Looking good. Actually not bad. Well, here we go. Medium rare. Nice and juicy. Tender. Enjoy.